Okay, let's try something different.
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today we're having another Glam for Less video where you can see how to find high-end furniture at affordable prices. And today we'll be looking at chairs, and more so, I guess, accent chairs, you could say. But as usual, I'm going to start off with the highest price for each item and go down to the cheapest price, giving you a variation of places to get the furniture from. So if there's a website that you're more comfortable with and familiar with and you've ordered from them before and you can trust them, it may be in this list and appeal to you more than one that you're not very familiar with. Or if most of your decision is just based off of price, then you will definitely love the cheapest one I have on the list. But the first type of chair that I'm going to look at today is a velvet armchair. It's very popular right now. It's been popular for at least a year now, but it has a metal bottom, and that's mainly the big attraction to it right now. And if you take a look at wayfair.com, you can find the chair. I don't know how do you pronounce it, Alocio, I don't know, armchair. It's by Willa Arlo Interiors, and they're selling it for $379.99. It's saying that it's worth $1,250. 70% off is what the $379.99 is. You can get an additional $40 off since it is over $250 if you use your Wayfair credit card, or you can do a finance plan where you can pay as little as $34 a month when you buy with the firm. You'll get free 2-day shipping, and so you'll get it by Thursday, March 22nd, because today is the 20th if you order within this time period. So, to my city anyway. So, let me go ahead and show you it in a room and some better detailed pictures of the chair. It's very, very nice. I love it. You can get this chair. It's mainly available in gold, but they also have other metal colors as well if you're searching for this type of style of a chair. Now we're going to go over to the next website, which is All Modern. They have it for $369.99. It's actually out of stock right now, but they're saying they'll have it back in stock on May 1st. So you can get an in-stock alert if you want to sign up for that. But see, it's a very pretty chair. You can get it in different colors as well. Then if we go over to house.com, it's called the Avery Velvet Chair Maroon for $355.99. And they're saying that it's worth the $1,250. You can get free shipping and 30-day returns. Estimated delivery March 26th to the 29th, so a little bit longer than it would take you from Wayfair. You won't get it in 2 days since it is the 20th, so that means it'll be 6 to 9 days before you get it, but you're getting it at a cheaper price. And as you can see, a lot of them are out of stock. This is showing you just how popular this chair is. And if you sign up with Ebates, which I'll have the link in my description that you can click on to sign up for Ebates, and you can get additional cash back from certain websites. So that's what I mentioned in my previous videos, so you will know what I'm talking about. This is what I'm saying, the pop-up that keeps coming up when I go to different websites. You can go ahead and activate the cash back when you go to certain websites. It'll pop up and you'll get additional money back. But moving on to Josh and Maine, they're calling it the Swing Armchair for $349.99. You'll get your $40 off because it's over $250 when you use your Wayfair credit card, or you can finance to pay as little as $31 a month with the firm. Of course, you'll get your free 2-day shipping if you order it within the amount of time that it has on the website. And you can add a protection plan on it as well. You can get a 3-year or a 5-year protection plan. So that's always nice to be able to have the possibility to do that. Let me go ahead and tell you some specs on this chair. So this chair is 35.5 inches high, 33.5 inches wide, and 29 inches in diameter. The seat is 21 inches high, 27 inches wide, and 18.5 inches in diameter. The arms come up 26.2 inches, and the chair is 64.6 pounds. So it's a nice size chair. Now let's go over to All Modern and look at a different style chair. This chair is a what they call an egg chair, and it has a tilt lock mechanism on it. So it's kind of like, so it's a lounge chair, but it engulfs you. That's why it's called an egg, because it's in the shape of an egg, really. A cracked open egg, I guess you could say. But here's some more pictures of it. It's a very popular style chair. You can find them all over the place right about now. As you can see, it's 43 inches high, 33 and 3/4 of an inch as far as the width. The diameter is 30. And this is called the Whitehall Tilt Lock Mechanism Lounge Chair. It's by Wade Logan. It's $529.99. It's saying that it really is $940.99 with 44% off. You can get special financing with your Wayfair card. You can pay as little as $47 a month when you buy with the firm. You get free shipping, and you get it by Friday, March 23rd, which is in 3 days. And they also have it in different colors as well. So this chair is not limited to white or black or whatever. They have other colors that are available to you. Now if we go over to Home Depot, they also have this chair. It's called the black leather egg chair with tilt lock mechanism. They have it for $452.40. And you can get it in different colors, a lot more colors than on the previous website we were looking at. So you can see some more details on it here, the texture of it. Let's go over to Wayfair.com. It's called the Whitehall Tilt Lock Mechanism Lounge Chair by Wade Logan. Same designer. It's $507.99. You can take 12 months to pay it when you use your Wayfair credit card to pay it off. And you can pay as little as $45 a month when you buy with a firm. Free shipping. Get it in 3 days to my city. Of course, you can get it in different colors: brown, red, or white on Wayfair. House, they have it as the egg chair with tilt lock mechanism black leather at $390.99, free shipping and 30-day returns, and you can get it in a minimum of 7 days. They have 26 colors, so you definitely have some choices here. You can pretty much get this and match it with any decor you have, any color scheme you have going in your room, if this is your style of chair. If you go over to Amazon.com, Flash Furniture Black Leather Egg Chair with Tilt Lock Mechanism is for $374.15. They have it in all types of colors. And you can get a 3-year protection or a 5-year protection plan. If you go over to Appliances Connection, you can get it for $344.99 with free shipping. And you can get the 3-year or the 5-year protection plan with them as well. And they have it in just a couple of the colors, the black, brown, or the white. Over at Hay Needle, it's called the Flash Furniture Leather Egg Chair with Tilt. It's by Flash Furniture, and it's starting at $343.61, saying you can save up to 31%, and you can do payments as low as $31 a month when you finance. So they have it in a couple of different colors. So if we go to the black, it's actually $452.40. So depending on what color you click, the price will change. So the Cordovan is only $373.87, but you'll get free shipping and it'll come in 2 days, or you can upgrade it to get it sooner. And when you shop with HeyNeedle.com, if you have an account, you will earn $11.22 in My Rewards when you buy this chair. Well, the amount will depend on the price you spend. And then one of my favorite places to shop, At Home. You can't buy it online. With At Home, they don't have an online store. You have to go in store. So if you have an at-home local to you, then you can find this chair if it hasn't sold out already. It's called the Icon Velvet Egg Chair. It's in black. It sat in my at-home store for a while, for a really long while. I think it may be gone now, but it's $299.99, and that is actually the cheapest that I was able to find it. Now moving on to our next chair. This is a fur chair with a metal frame. It's very, very popular right now. Well, it has been for a few years actually. When the whole fur accent chairs first started coming out, this is a chair that was like extremely popular, and then it kind of, to me, I think, sparked the whole metal furniture trend. But you can get it at MGBW Home. It's called the Ansel White Tibetan Fur Chair, and you can get it in brass or you can get it in black, and it's $1,900. Of course, we want to find it cheaper than that. So High Fashion Home, they have the chair. It's called the Lena Sheepskin Chair White, and it's for $899. You can get it as low as $80 per month with a firm. You'll get free shipping. Now this chair, the reason why it's so expensive is because it's made with real sheepskin. So if you're someone who doesn't want to harm animals, then you definitely don't want to get it from these websites that I have said thus far, because it is going to be real sheepskin. I do believe this is real sheepskin as well, which is why it's so expensive. So we're going to go to the next one, the Classy Home. This is $774.61. It's the TLV Furniture Lena White Sheepskin Chair, and this is made with real sheepskin as well. So if, like I say, if you don't want to harm animals, definitely don't choose these options here. I will get to some faux ones. This is on barstoolco.myshopify.com for $770 with free shipping. And of course you can get it in different colors. You can actually get it in black and gray as well from this website. And let me show you it in a room. Here's the back of the chair, the front and an angle. Now the overall height of this chair is 36 inches high, the width is 28.35 inches, and the diameter is 24.2 inches. The seat height from floor to seat is 20 inches. The seat size is 22.4 inches wide and 17.35 inches in diameter. The arm height is 24.8 inches and it weighs 26 pounds. I have actually seen a version of this chair in person, and it's a nice chair. I really like it. If you go over to wayfair.com, it's by Willa Arlo Interiors, and it's called the Otavio Modern Sheepskin Armchair for $649.99 with free shipping. You'll get it in 3 days if you're in my city. And at All Modern, it's called the same thing for $629.99, free shipping in 3 days to my area. Now, this is at overstock.com, a faux fur version of it. It's called the Abbyson Jessica Gold Stainless Steel Faux Fur Armchair. You can get it for $428.49. Oh, actually, it's out of stock. But this is just to show you that there are faux fur versions available, and it's made the same way. This fur just doesn't look as, I guess, full to me in these pictures. But this is a faux fur version, but you also can find it in at home if you have that local to you for $279.99. And it looks like it's not that plush in this picture, but I promise you that it is. I have sat in this chair in at home, and it is a lot more plush than what this looks like. But this is also a faux fur version. So if you don't want to harm animals, definitely check out the faux fur version of this chair, and you will definitely be able to get it cheaper than if you actually get the sheepskin fur. Well, I hope you enjoy seeing the different chairs that you can get that are very high end but at an affordable price. If you like the finds that I show today, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Ashley. You're tuned into Dollars and Cents Online, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay, let's try something different.